It's 7 a.m. from Fox 35. This is Good Day.
Well, the price of gold got off to a pretty good start for 2012 after falling towards the end of 2011. The final numbers from last year show that gold finished the year up about 10%, but then again it also fell 10.4% in December alone. That makes that the second worst month for gold in about 4 years. Silver also fell about 15% in December. So the big question is, after the big run-up in prices on precious metals, are these metals now facing a downward trend? Vijay Marolia from Private Wealth Management is with us this morning to talk about that. Vijay, good to see you. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year.
Are you concerned about the price of gold? It's off 20% from the highs that it was at.
I'm not concerned about it. I'm watching it very closely. A lot of people are concerned about it, and I think the main reason why, John, is because it broke the 200-day moving average, which is a very important technical indicator. Now, that tells me that it could go down further, and if it does, I would probably like to be ready to buy a little bit more.
Yeah, a lot of people like you saying, hey, now's a great time if you want to buy. Other people have said this run-up wasn't really based on anything tangible. Agree or disagree there?
Well, I kind of agree. It's not tangible because what it's based on is fiat currency. Currency like the dollar, like the yen, like the euro, and all eyes are on the euro right now. So, John, if you were to look at when gold started to come down hard, it was at the same time that LIBOR, which measures the funding stresses of banks, started to shoot up. So what's happened is that a lot of central banks dumped gold so that the European banks could then lease it, use it as collateral to get more money. They're running out of money fast.
As the economy went down, gold prices went way up. We all know, we hear the ads all the time about that. Now a lot of people are saying we're on the upswing of the economy. Is there going to be that inverse correlation between these two as we go forward?
I hope we're on an upswing of the economy. I'm not really convinced yet, but I think that the more important thing, rather than the economy, is the amount of quantitative easing or money printing that our central bank does, that the European Central Bank, that the Bank of Japan, Bank of England are going to do. That's what we're watching really closely.
Well, I promise the viewers I would never talk about quantitative easing again on the air because I think a lot of people want to drive their car into a break.
It is.
You and I will talk about that sometime. Maybe we'll do a web chat about QE4 or 5 or whatever we're at right now.
It's probably coming.
Vijay, thanks, man. Good to see you once again. Vijay Marolia, Private Wealth Management. Appreciate your time. All right.